Was it? Definitely. Just like the rest of you out there, we're feeling the burn out here. Sorry, but we do have the luxury of the pool today. Oh my goodness, get out of the customer's pool. We're gonna get fired. Jeez. Back to work. Welcome back. Another awesome episode, sweltering in the heat. We have another family mission day. We got my soulmate and Dalton. Thank goodness, because if I didn't have them, I'd be here by myself today. We have, as you saw, 6 scoops of mulch to do. Beautiful pool setting backyard. So we'll just get right into it. We gotta get this done. It's 2:30. We spent about an hour and a half prepping the whole place, getting it ready. So we're finally ready to do it.
Feels really good.
I bet it does.
Nice. Feels really good.
We're roasting out here.
Yeah. Now my feet are like 20 times cooler.
So funny. So we got this here, up top, a little bit over there, a little bit over there.
Down there, you need me. You do it.
What?
You do it. You want this one?
You got a whole wheelbarrow.
But I have got back here.
Oh my god.
Eat the wheelbarrow.
Kill me, dude. I don't need a whole wheelbarrow down there.
We'll take this one.
Where are you going?
Up there?
Why? Why not just finish what you're doing?
Whatever, dude. Bye.
Making sense. I'm right there in front of you.
Bye. We're in another struggle.
I hear you.
I'm gonna need more down here anyway.
He's getting feisty. Yep. Oh, he's in.
Right there beside you.
I think you missed a spot.
And you missed a spot. camera. It's 4:20. We are all beat down, tired. And we might just go jump in the pool instead. Three more wheelbarrows.
Yeah, that's
You're
it.
fired, man. You're fired.
How am I fired?
You're supposed to have enough.
Can I help you?
Ah,
Make
well,
it magically appear.
it is what it is, right? Yeah. Woo! 5 o'clock. We have like 5-6 wheelbarrows left, and I think we're gonna jump in and take a dip. Yeah, a little bit more, not much. Gotta strategically place it. A few little beds over here and over there behind me. Not much.
One got stuck in the little bolt.
I think I need to get in also. I have trunks in the truck. The last one of the day. Whew. What a day it was. She's loving it. Whole trailer load taken care of.
Feels amazing. Yeah.
Monty, I think I love you, man.
Dude, I haven't done my leaf removal today. I apologize.
Hey,
Look past
I don't
it.
think
I'll grab the skimmer and start doing it right now.
Y'all, you want a beer or something? Or,
No thanks, man.
yeah,
No
how about
thanks.
some towels? Let me throw you some towels. Yeah.
Be awesome.
Is the temperature right in there?
It's perfect right now. The sun's gone off of it, and yeah, it's
Yeah.
perfect right now.
I'm glad somebody's using it. I mean it.
I appreciate it, Monty.
Cool.
Very
Thank you.
much.
This was a busy day. And,
Everything look all right?
oh, yeah, dude. Covered up all kinds of things.
Yeah. Right.
So you have, he said the best part of it was see you guys later. That is so great. So please know, anytime, okay?
All right.
It makes Monty's day.
Well, I appreciate it.
Can we get you guys anything? You already got us towel?
Yeah, he got us towels. We already had drinks.
Well, what a hot day.
It was very hot. It was a
I'm
hot
so
week.
grateful for everything you guys do. You make the next look nice.
I've loved taking care of it. I mean, I think I've, 8, 9 years I've been up here. I
Well,
love
yeah,
it.
but it never looked like that until you.
Oh, thank
So
you.
thank you.
Yeah.
And this is so much better.
Yeah, for sure.
So thank you.
And they want us to keep on top of it nonstop, so
I
it'll
love
stay
it.
nice.
Again, very grateful.
We did it.
Yeah. That's how you finish the day at work. When the customers love you, take care of them, take care of you.
Yep.
Elite Landscape style. Peace.